Here is the end product. Nothing beats this lazy dinner. I am back again. I want to show you how we are gonna do this. So here's our chicken. We have four huge thighs. So I'm gonna take my clean knife. Here's our knife, and we're gonna slice it like so. Yeah, just slice through so that it can cook through like that. So we're gonna do that to all of them. And we need to make sure you've sliced very well. It also looks pretty, don't you think? Like, I like eating pretty things. Like they have to look appealing to my eyes. So now they are sliced, all of them, as you can see. So now we're gonna season it. We're gonna take a basin, something where you can use that's a little bit deep. So we transfer, and as you go, you clear your table. So now we're gonna add lemon, pepper, and herbs. Season it. I have wet hands. I keep on washing my hands all the time when I'm dealing with chicken. And my lemon and herb seasoning is stuck to each other. I don't know. So we put like that. I like herbs a lot. And then we're gonna put our garlic powder. I don't know, everything is stuck. Our garlic powder, our onion powder. Ooh, like that, enough to taste. A little bit more of herbs, mixed herbs. We're not gonna put a lot because we already put some herbs before. Like that is enough. And then we're gonna put good old salt to taste. Yes, now I think it's good. And then we're gonna put a little bit of the soy sauce. Lastly, we are gonna go in with our cooking oil. So you sprinkle like 2 tablespoons like that, and then you mix. You can use your hands, you can use a spatula, you can use a brush, you can use whatever you feel like, but let me go in with my hands because I want to make sure it goes inside. Just massage the spices into your chicken. So at the moment, I'm preheating my oven. I've put top and bottom heat with the fan, and the temperature is 180, and we're gonna preheat for like 5 minutes, but then we're gonna cook this for around 30 to that 5 minutes. But I did put 50 minutes, yeah, just in case. So our chicken is well coated, as you can see, and it looks good. Everything has entered every nook. Like, and it's gonna be very tasty. That is why we make the cuts. So this is my go-to if I'm lazy and I don't want to keep on checking the meal. Yeah, so let me wash my hands. So now we move on to our potatoes. I wanted to make up my potatoes in this glass cookware or bakeware, but as you can see it's a little bit overcrowded, so we're gonna have to make it from our pan that came with the oven. So now we're gonna put a little bit of salt. That is enough, and spray some oil onto our potatoes like that, and then we're gonna mix them up. So we're gonna use this since they're gonna be in the same pot anyways. Mix them up very well, and then you spread them out like that. So I know some of them might stick at the bottom. If you don't want that, I think you should put that baking sheet at the bottom, but for me I don't mind. So now we place our chicken on top. You have to move over for your friend. Your friend needs room. So yep, well, we've lost our extra lighting, but it's okay, we are done. So I'm gonna put that one in there. So it's been about 10 minutes since I switched on our cooker, so I think it's enough time to have preheated my oven. So I'm gonna put this right in. See how good it looks? I'm glad I decided to look sideways because I had forgotten about our onion. I wanted to put onion in here, so let me show you what I'm gonna do. For extra flavor. Let me finish up. So let's top it off with a little bit more of a splash, and it is ready to go into the oven. I think it looks amazing, as you can see. We're gonna cook it for around 40 minutes. So let's put it in our oven. Oh, it's heavy. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. Oh, I love it. So we've put it's at 36 minutes and economical. Won't use a lot of electricity. 180. Let me show you. This is how you check. It's either 180 or 190, around there or in the middle. But roughly 180 is what I was going for, and as you can see, top bottom with the fan. Yep, let's wait and cook it. So yeah, halfway we're gonna come and check it. Hi guys, I'm back. So this is the chicken. Our dinner is ready. We're gonna see if the potatoes are cooked through, but this is how it looks like. I like it. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, they're soft. Yeah, they're soft. So I'll put it back in at for 10 minutes at the highest temperature to see if it will become more brown. Here is the end product. Nothing beats this lazy dinner. Look at the difference, yeah, of the chicken. For the last 10 minutes that I put it at high, it looks amazing. Yeah.